Hello there and welcome to Jetvision by Jetstream Africa, your technology-driven solution for efficient supply chain management. Let's dive into how you can become a part of the amazing Jetvision community. First things first, begin your journey by heading over to jetvision.ai, and this will take you directly to the sign-up page as being displayed. Now, click on Get Started. Here, select your business type followed by your company name and indicate the country your business operations are based. Click on Continue. Now, on the next page, provide your name, your job title, your email address, create a password, and repeat to confirm. If you were referred by anyone from our team, proceed to select their names from the list provided. And just like that, you have signed up to the Jetvision platform. But we are not quite done yet. Enter the verification code sent to your email address provided to verify your email. The next steps involve registering your account. This helps us customize your solutions on your dashboard for a more personalized experience. To register your company, provide your business address, your phone number, your email address, your business website, and all the countries your business has operations in. Select the services your company provides and upload a company logo for a more personalized touch. Agree to the terms and conditions and click on Next. On the final page, select from the range of the number of containers you manage per year. Our solutions that best fit you and your customers, as well as how best we can assist you grow your business. Click on Complete Registration. And that's it. You are set up and ready to experience the world of technology in transforming your supply chain. As always, thanks for tuning in and don't forget to drop us some feedback in the comments below.